Hi, today I'd like to show you some of the new features that might be useful in our new pirate search, our new interface for EBSCO. Specifically, I'm going to show you how you can translate articles now into many languages. So if English is not your first language or it's not a language that you're super comfortable reading in, you can now translate it into the article that you're looking at into a number of other languages. We can begin by doing a simple search in Pirate Search. I'm going to search for environmental justice. It's been something I'm looking into. I'm going to select full text and peer reviewed. Those are the items I'm interested in for now. Once my page loads, I'll be able to review the results just like before. Notice we now have a different option. We don't have HTML full text and PDF full text anymore. The options are listed under this drop-down menu. And to use the translation feature, you must select online full text. So you must select online full text in order to translate articles. The feature is not available in PDF. When I load this item, you can see up here that there is a little globe, and it's the translate icon. So here you can see I have the item, and I can choose a language. I'm going to pick, there's so many. I'm going to pick Swedish, svenska. And here it is. In just a couple of seconds, the item will load in a completely different language that hopefully might make it easier to read and understand. It is AI driven, so you might be, as you're reading along, think, oh, this isn't exactly the most fluent, but hopefully it will help you come to an understanding about the information being described. I hope it helps.